brush.
Yeah.
For my horse. My horse's hair. That's what I came in here for.
Did you lose a tooth today?
Yep.
Which one?
I
Ooh.
don't know which one.
I think that was it.
That's the 13th one.
It is?
So can I use this?
Yeah.